What's up, guys? I'm doing a video today. Probably gonna try to piece in the C-10 just to introduce you guys to the C-10 video. Me and Bobby went in on half on a C-10. I just didn't post it yet, so gotta edit that, post that, probably tie this video in with that. Just a quick update on the shop. As you guys saw on the last video, engine's in. I am waiting on, I gotta find a transmission, finish up the suspension and stuff. I want to get this rolling very soon. Del Sol engine base primed, polyed. Just did the rest of the car, so this will be close to paint very soon, hopefully laying down some color in the next week or two. And then there's that. These are the doors off the C-10. We're going to try to keep as much patina on this as possible, but this paint that's on here, we actually like the original color more, so we're going to try to blow off this outside. These doors are in really nice shape, except for a little bit here and a little bit there, but the undersides are pretty roachy. You can see it there. So I want to try to, I'm gonna replace these. I actually just got patch panels from Summit. There are the lower pieces there. I'm gonna try to patch them in. I'm not gonna use the whole thing, just gonna cut out what I need. I want to try to keep as much as the original paint on the inside. Backside of the doors are actually getting painted to interior color when we get to that point. But I'll throw up follow along the time lapse here. Hopefully I can get that at least cut out, trimmed, and mocked up, and then I'll weld them in. And my plan is to blend in as much patina as possible underneath here. Up here we got to see what we got to do. This truck was originally medium olive metallic with the white two-tone up above, and I want to try to bring that back. We got some ideas, but right now, first things first, I just want to clean up all the heavy rust. I know some rust is okay, scabby stuff, you know, just flaky stuff, but I really want to try to keep as much of the original on this as possible. So I'll throw a little patch on that, just so all the important stuff is fixed. All this is just flaky paint and stuff, adds character to it. I'm at my garage. The truck's at Bobby's garage. What I'm going to do is, he's working on the frame, the suspension, and all that. I'm going to do as much of the body stuff up here. I'll do this stuff. I'll bring this back to him. And a little bit of work on the floor on the cab. I don't know what we're doing with that yet. I'm going to try to bring it up here. If not, I'll try to fix it down there. Cut that bottom piece out. That's what that looks like. I cut right up to the edge where, you know, it's pretty rusted out. This is pretty solid steel here, so I can weld on this. I'll clean this up and weld on this. Like I said, I'm going to put a patch in this. I'm going to make a little piece for in here. And then before I weld this panel back on, I'm going to just prime this in here, some weld tool primer on the bare metal. I'll put some primer in here just to protect it. After I'm done, I'll put some 3M, the beeswax, or whatever they call it, whatever. I'll run that back down here, in here, so it protects it. Same thing here, solid metal right here. Up here, I'm gonna go right on this edge here, and then I'm gonna go, I'm just gonna cut this here too. So I'll cut this piece out a little bit past this, and I'll clean it all up, and I'll butt weld that together. I'll go down the seam on this. Not worried about this too much, because I'm going to be doing body work up here because this is going to be painted interior color. We're going to do like a nice interior on this, leave as much patina as it, like I said before. So I'll do a little bit of body work on this seam here when I get this all welded up, and then it won't be too bad. Then I'll clean up this whole panel, and when the time comes I'll paint that, get this all ready. So I'm going to strip this down to the door, and I'm going to trim this up real quick, find out where my marks are. I'll go a little further, and then I'll trim down. But yeah, actually it looks pretty good. This caught me. I didn't know this panel was here. Same thing with this. So I'll have to drill some holes, put some spot welds on this, just to hold it back to like the factory. So not sure what I'm gonna do down here. I'm gonna see if I can actually put it in a little bit and then slide it into the lip here. Just gonna do a little bit cleaning up behind there. So see if I can get maybe the cutoff wheel or something behind there, just to get that material out of there. I'll figure something else out, or I'll figure something out. Next stage. Alright, have this all trimmed up pretty good. You can see it there, that's all butt up there. Now we'll go weld across that whole thing. Weld down the side, clean it up a little bit without butt up there. Still got to figure out how to, I probably could get this up and slide it in, so I'll probably do that. And then do my final cleanup underneath before I do all this. So I got to still patch this hole on the bottom. I want to do that. I want to do this before I weld this up, but video's getting long. I don't want to get too crazy on this, but you guys get the basic idea. I'll get this all welded up, do a little bit of body work, prime it, and then same thing on this door. So just the same thing with the patch too. This one doesn't look too bad. That one actually was pretty roachy. So might do a video, because I still have to learn too how I'm going to blend in this patina. I have an idea. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm just going to get a little bit of paint and just go for it. So I'll make a little video on that actually too. Next update, I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I want to get these done, get these down back to the garage, back down to Bobby's, and maybe I'll bring up the fenders. I got to do a little patch on that, and probably gonna do some more work on the S10. I have to get it rolling. I have to move some stuff around. I have to get that done. I have to get this rolled around. I got a big project coming up. I did end up taking another job. I said I wasn't gonna take any more, but couldn't pass up this one. So, but this car's coming on a full rotisserie, and I don't really have a lot of space here. So got to figure that out. I don't think I'm going to get that done quick enough before that. That's coming up in the next few weeks, but we'll see what happens. But I do need to get this rolling. I do need to find a set of wheels so I can get it rolling, because this is 5-on-114 where the originals are like 5 by 120. So I can't use those wheels that came with the truck. So I have to find something. I kind of want to get something decent. I want to see fitment on this, because I know I'm going to be out quite a bit. So I want to get this wrapped up too, just to get it rolling, so in case I do have to move it somewhere, it's able to. So again, thanks for watching. I'll try to do things like this a little bit. I actually remembered to film this time while I'm doing something. Doesn't happen a lot, so I'll try to get the camera rolling a little bit more, even down bobbies and stuff like that, even if we're just playing around with it. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, or you just see me working little things here and there. Again, once I get another camera, I'll get into a little bit more in depth on how I'm trimming it and stuff like that. I tape it up just so I know where my line is to where I can cut the panel above it. Stupid stuff like that, but like I said, all in due time. But thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have anything else, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks, peace.